Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be making some Nickelodeon slime. And my cousin also did some of this. It turned out like that.
And go subscribe to me at Vlogs and Games with Joey. Make me get 20 subscribers, please.
Subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment on what else you want me to do. And let's get started.
Wait here, show them my slime. Open it.
What do I need first after I'm done showing this?
It's pretty.
Oh, it's so like weird.
This is what it looks like when you make the Nickelodeon slime kit.
It feels weird. Like really weird.
I know, Nickelodeon slime kit is so weird.
Ugh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Alright, put it back in the case.
Okay.
And make your slime.
It feels like my hands are wet.
You want to make it clear or white?
I'm gonna make it clear.
Alright, here, put your glue in. I'll tell you when to stop putting it in.
Okay.
Push harder. Stop. Then add a little bit of water. Here, I'll add the water.
I got it. Good.
Stop. Alright, that's it.
Alright, so now what do I do?
Mix it. No, you add your color first. Pick a color paint if you want paint.
Can I mix colors?
This one, no, this one's glow in the dark.
Oh, so I can't mix colors?
No. You want to make it glow in the dark?
Yeah, we always have more to do some other stuff if we want. So what do I do? Use this?
Yeah. No, you use a stick. You use a stick.
Oh, okay. And just like go like this.
Yeah, then you mix it. No, don't use all of it. Then cover it back up. Then mix. Mix it. Come on, mix it.
What do I do with this?
Just mix it.
Oh, it's already starting to be gooey. Oh,
You want to add your glitter?
oh yeah.
Just mix. I used all the glitter.
Yeah.
Haha. Look, where are you getting all the glitter?
don't
You
care.
barely have any glitter.
My mom is gonna think it's from my sister and her LOL surprise dolls. Are you sure? Didn't I have to add something to this?
Yeah.
Oh. How much? Okay, tell me when to stop.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, that's better. Look at that.
Mix it all in. Mix it.
I'm like, am I forgetting something? This just feels really liquidy.
Put more activator, cause you don't want to waste all the glue. Kids, don't waste all your glue. You know.
The activator makes it more sticky. And like.
No, it doesn't.
this.
Makes it less sticky. Alright, use more activators since there's more stuff. Hey guys, I'm gonna add styrofoam beads to my slime.
Oh my.
Watch this. I can barely put the phone.
Whoa.
Ugh.
Watch me at the same time, guys.
Yeah. No, it's gonna be. Guys, we're gonna do a giveaway on a bottle cap.
No, we're gonna do a giveaway on slime.
You don't even know where they live, so.
True. And I don't even know how to do a giveaway.
So you look like my mommy
Do
too.
you?
No, I don't. I might. If I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna make my own merch.
Me too.
Or I might play around Fortnite with Ninja.
Who? Who's Ninja?
Ninja, he's the best Fortnite player ever.
You really think you can get him to play with you?
Yeah.
How do I get this to get around more places?
Just keep on adding activator till all the stuff is mixed in.
More!
That's enough! That's enough! See how much you put?
Yeah.
Mix
Oh.
faster, mix vigorously.
Oh, well, it's coming on the table.
Who cares? So guys, let's add my styrofoam beads. There you go.
That's a lot. Oh, that feels weird. Did you just make my slime that you gave me, like, on the way here?
Yeah.
Really? How, your mom and dad let you do that?
No.
Oh. Guys,
Guys, look, here's what it looks like now with the styrofoam beads.
Today is Easter, so happy Easter.
Happy Easter, guys.
Oh. Okay, this is way too liquidy.
Ah, fail. Wop, 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 wop.
Wow.
What? Wait, you should add more. Take out that. Put it just throw it on the floor, and then I'll add more glue.
Throw what on the floor?
Then I'll add more glue.
That's enough.
There, mix
buddy.
it, mix it,
I don't know
mix
my finger.
it. Mix!
Hold on, wait. I
Mix it.
need. Oh, look, it's finally sticking.
We're having technical difficulties here.
Yeah,
Mix it!
we're having
Jesus.
a technical difficulty
Just mix
from a noob. That's not his. This is my house. Oh, this feels really weird. Joey, is my video almost over?
No, it's at 6 minutes.
Oh, okay, no, this should be good.
We have 4 more.
Oh. Look at this, like I'm like a duck.
Alright guys, that was a fail. We're gonna try again later. Thanks so
Yeah.
much for watching, and
No wait, and subscribe, leave a like, and
no, I'm just kidding.
unsub from Joey.
No, subscribe to Michael and
And-
subscribe to me and put on notifications and like the video and have a good Easter.
And try and make this, which this was essentially isn't much of a fail, but yeah,
and you have to
next time Joey will do the pouring. No, I'll do the pouring. He'll just do the mixing.
yeah, and we
part.
have to throw something at Michael every single time you fail. So
Ow, what was that? Okay, I failed. No, that's enough. No, that's enough. Bye, guys.
peace.
What are you doing? Stop the video before time runs out. Joey!
That boy. Look how beautiful
Stop
this
the
is.
video already.
Here's say bye to Honeywell. Honeywell, honey.